rolling out 60 different strategies, and I'm borrowing those 60 strategies from 60 different YouTube channels, and I'm doing it all in 60 days. This next strategy is kind of a commonplace strategy, but it's made for somebody with a medium-sized bankroll. Hey, my name is Joe, and this is my Craftsmaster journey. Let's make it yours too. So hey, this next strategy comes from Sleepy2525, and he's an awesome member of the Craps Nation group. The name of the strategy is called 110 Inside with a $15 Field Part 1. It's strategy number 23 in our series to 60, and he filmed it back in February of 2020. At the current moment, it has over 2,800 views. And he goes with a $10 table for this strategy. And I'm going to start off with a $600 bankroll to show the strategy and to roll it out. So what we're going to do is we're going to kind of roll it out as we go. He starts off with a $10 pass line bet, and we'll be looking for a point coming out. And we have a 4-2-6, so our point will be 6. Okay, from here what he does is he goes to 110 inside. So what that would look like is right here, 25 on the 5 and 9, he would go 30 on the 6 and 8. And then what he does is he does not place that point, so he'll move that $30 down to be a pass line odds bet. So there's $30 in odds on that pass line. He also goes with a $15 field bet. And this is where we're at now. We're going to try to take 3 hits, and we're going to try to increase each one of our bets here up to at least $15 more than where it's currently at. And then what we'll do is we'll go to the next step of the strategy. So dice out, and we have a 5-4-9. So what happens is this pays double on this one. Now we got $35 win on that 9 right there. We get paid out $15 in that field. So what happens is we can go $15 up here. Let's pay this out in quarters. I'm sorry, nickels. So we'll take that quarter off, and we got $15 increase there. And we're going to go with an increase here. So we would go 15 and then 3 and rack that nickel. So look what happened. Normally it takes 3 hits on the field in order to get us up to where we need to be. But we got up there in 1 hit because that 9 hit first off right there. So that was the first step of the strategy. What he does now is every time he can go up $15 on all these, he will start over at 66 inside. So we're going to take everything down here, and we're going to go to 66 inside. And 66 inside is basically 3 units on all of these here. And again, since the 6 is the point, we're not going to go with that. We're going to put a cap out here of $3 on that 8. So we're all set up, and we're going to rack this right here. We're also going to take the field down to $10 now. So again, all the strategy is let's increase this by 3 units, 3 bets, so $15 here, $15 here, $18 here, and then once you get that increase there, you rack the profits and you start on all over. So we're going to rack $85 off of that first roll. Again, we started off with a $600 bankroll. Okay, dice out. And we have a 5-2-7, so that couldn't have happened at a better time. We're going to lose all this stuff here. All this comes down, and we are going to start on over. And we'll give this another try. Puck goes off. We're going to start off with a $10 pass line bet. And dice out, look for a point coming up. 4-3-7. On the come out roll for this, we get paid out $10 on that pass line bet. So we're just going to rack that up. Dice out. Again, this wins on a 7 or 11 on this come out. That was a 2 guys that did a roll. It wins on a 7 or 11 the pass line bet. It loses on a 2, 3, or 12. The point becomes a 5 since we have a 3-2-5 on the rollout, and we will set up our strategy from here again. Again, we're going to go with 110 inside. Put cap on the 6 and 8. Since the point is a 5, we're going to move that down there. We'll put a nickel on top of it. So we're going to stay with $30 pass line bets on all of them. So whether it's 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, or 10, we're always going to go with a $30 pass line bet. Okay, our goal again is to increase this by $18, $18, and $15. So hopefully that'll happen in 3 hits or less. $15 on the field, and we're already dice out. And we have a 3-1-4. That's going to pay out $15 in the field. We're going to take the 15 and we're going to go up on the 9. So 9 is all set. And we have a 4-1-5. That is our point. What's going to happen here is we are going to lose the field bet. But we're going to get paid out $10 on that pass line there. And we're going to get paid out $45 on the pass line odds. So that's 45 right there. Now, looking at what we won here, guys. So this would come off. And this would be winnings here. Okay, so looking at what happens is we would be up 3 units on the 6 and 8 also. So let's do this one. So let's go to 66 inside. So that would be 3 units on each one of these. And we'll put some caps on here. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And we're going to rack this up. So we're racking actually $125 right now. Remember that 30 of the dollars needs to go back on the pass line odds after we establish a point here. So we're roughly up about $90 right now. Okay, so we're at 66 inside here. Dice out. And we have a 3-1-4, so our point becomes a 4. Puck will move to the 4. We're going to leave all these up here now, and we're going to go put $30 from our rack over on pass line odds. Okay, dice out. And we're going to look to see if we can get, the stick impeded that. I'm going to roll that again. We're going to look to get 3 units up here, guys, on each one of these numbers. Okay, dice out. And we have 6-6-12. We were supposed to have a $10 field bet on there. That 6-6-12 would pay out double out there. So we got double. So let's go up 2 units on the 5, 2 units on that 9. That'll bring us up to a quarter each. So we need to go $5 more on each one of these and still $18 more up on those. Okay, dice out. And we have a 5-1-6. We're going to lose that field bet. This 6 here is going to pay out $21. So what we're going to do here is we're going to put $10 back in the field, and let's drop a penny. I don't remember if that was mine or not, so I'm just going to buy some here. Let's buy 10 of them. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we're going to drop a penny in there. We're going to go up. Let's go up 1 unit on the 6, 1 unit on the 8, and we should be all set now. Okay, dice out. And we have a 4-3-7. So we didn't get too far in that one. We lose all this stuff here, and we're going to go with one more shooter here just to kind of hopefully explain the strategy a little bit more. So all this stuff is a loss. Okay, and puck comes off, $10 on that pass line, and coming out, looking for a point. We have a 6, 4, 10. So the puck moves to a 10. That was a 6. Puck moves to 10. We're going to go to 110 inside. Need to pick up some nickels here. 2, 3, 4, 5. Pick up some more nickels because I didn't get enough. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're going to go with 15 in the field. And we are all set up, ready to go. Oops, we got to put $30 in pass odds. And dice up. And we have a 2 on 3. That does nothing up here, does nothing down here, but it does pay out $15 in that field. So we're just going to take the 15, put it on the 5, and that one is pressed up. We have got 516. That pays out. We were supposed to be $30 on there, guys, so I'm going to take that off of there. That was supposed to be $30 on there. So that 6 will pay out $35. So we're going to lose the 15 in the field. We're going to go back up with 15, and I'll rack that quarter. I took 5 out of my tray. And that leaves us, we need to press up out here, guys. 1, 2, 3. So we're going to press up on the 9. So we are all set. And we have 314. That pays out 15 in that field. We're going to take 3 out of our tray. And we'll go up on the 6. So we're fully pressed on the 5. The 6 and the 8. We need to get pressed up on that 8 now. So that was a 4. And we have a 336. So that 6 here is on there. 35 plus 21. We get paid out. So 35 plus 21. And we lose that field. But hey, we have enough to press up everything out here now. So we're going to go drop everything down. We're going to go to 66 inside. This will be 3 units on the 5. 1, 2, 3. $18 on the 6. That'll be $18 on that 8. And that's going to be $15 on the 9. So all the rest of this will be racked up. $10 on that field. Everything else will be racked up here. So we're going to profit out 125, 135, 140 from that one hit. Okay. Now again, we're going to try to bring everything up 3 units from here. And dice out. And we have a 314. That pays out $10 on that field. Let's go up $5 on the 5, $5 on the 9. That brings us to 20 on each of them. We have a 314 again. 4 is coming hard and heavy today, guys. That did flip. That was a 1. And again, we get paid out $10 there. We'll go again up on the 5 and the 9. That brings us to a quarter on each of those. And we are still looking to get that up to $30. So we need that one more hit on each one of those. We have a 549. So that's perfect. So that'll pay out $35. That'll bring us up there and there. So we are fully pressed on there. And we are going to go up on the 6. We need 3 units on here. And 3 units would be $18 on there. So let's break that down and change it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we'll get 5 pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we need to go $18 up on there. And we need to go up 2 more units on here. So next hit we'll be able to go up on that stuff. Okay, and that was a 9. We got paid out $10 out here too, guys. Forgot about that here. I think that's right. Okay, so anyhow, hey, we got enough to drop down again. So let's take this off here. Let's go down to 3 units again on each. 66 inside. We're going to rack another $60 here. Not a bad deal. Okay, we got $10 in the field. We still got our pass line and pass line odds, and we're down to 66 inside again. So again, we're going to try to build it up to 3 more units on each one of them. That's 426, pays out $21. And we're going to lose the field here. We'll go back up on the field. And let's go up $5 on the 5. I'm going to put them in front here, guys, so you can see it a little bit better. Oops, that $1 was our profit. So, okay, we're all good. Now you can see how many we're actually pressing up. 628 pays out $21. Those 3 units again, $21. And we're going to lose that field. We'll go back up on the field. Again, we're going to go up on the 5 and the 9. Rack the penny. So we only need to hit 1 more on the 5 and 9. Those will be fully pressed out. And we have a 617. So we didn't get to that point, which is fine. We lose everything that's on the table. But hey, we should have made enough profits here to show the strategy how profitable it actually was and how profitable it can be. And remember, we started off with a $600 bankroll. And let's see where we ended up. Puck comes off. Got 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 25, 35, 36. So we ended up with a 536 left over here. So anyhow, hey, I want to leave a link to the original strategy from Sleepy2525 in the description of this video. Make sure you check out his channel and support him, subscribe to him. If you like the videos that I'm showing right now, and click on that link over here to all my other craps strategies. My name is Joe, and this is my Craftsmaster journey. Let's make it yours too.